Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a bit different. As some of you may know, or you'll get to know, is that I love baking, and I always try to make like my friends' birthday cakes. And today I'm trying a new recipe because I always make the same cakes, and today I'm making what they call the perfect birthday cake. We'll see how this turns out. Stay tuned. 200 grams of flour, we put 100 grams of cacao pulver. That's how the mixture looks. We're gonna add 1 spoon of salt. Yeah, so in the meantime we're making some pizza, and I think it's ready. Someone is hungry. We had a pizza with the pizza cutter and it failed. And now I'm gonna use a pair of scissors because this is how I attack, which my friend says no to, but I say yes to because it's perfect. Look at that. That's how you go, and you just go like that. Like that. Like that. Exciting! Yes, I did it. I cut more pieces than she did. That looks so good. I'm so hungry. So in the mixture now we have baking soda and baking powder. And we add 400 grams of sugar to the mixture. Mix everything, and that's how it kind of looks right now. And you have to add 2 eggs. Now vanilla extract is to be added. Next I'm going to be adding some yogurt. This is 200 grams of yogurt. I'm using the mild yogurt, and I like to add that yogurt because it makes the cake less sweet and gives it a bit of acidity. Yeah. So I added in 100 grams of melted coconut oil into the mixture. And next I'm going to add warm water. So it's a bit like lukewarm, warm, not very hot, like in between. And this is to help the cake gain like a darker color because of the cocoa powder. Now we're making like the whole mixture. I like how it's turning like darker. I'm very excited. I'm scared but very excited. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah, and you guys should like try this recipe like after. You have to try it. So getting the pans ready. A bit of like butter and a bit of flour. So we're ready for the oven now. So this is gonna help with the topping when the cake is all done. I also have some like chocolates with 81% cocoa, so it's a bit of like dark chocolate, and strawberries. Yeah. So I'm waiting for the cake to get ready so we can put the what?
We need to wait for it.
Yeah, you can tell me. I will cut out the other parts. Yeah.
We need well, to put the topping.
Yeah.
And the filling.
Yeah.
With strawberries and.
I like how you said. I was just like, oh, we're gonna do this.
Doce de leche.
Doce de leche.
Oh, you can say that with the accent. It's so beautiful.
Oh my gosh, this is how it looks now. I got 2 big cakes. So cute. It's time to mix the topping. I had to wait for the cakes to like cool down. That took a while. But yeah, now the chocolate will be melted. Like I said, I used this kind of chocolate. Try to use a bit of dark so that the cake doesn't turn out too sweet but also not too bitter. So that's really good. And this is quite like sweet already, so maybe like having a darker chocolate kind of helps that. Yeah, we're gonna do a mix and then see. So I'm gonna have like 4 layers kind of. I'm gonna add some cheese and all these ingredients and a bit of milk to kind of make it a bit wet on the inside before we put everything else. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope that you'll be able to try the recipe and entweder nach Katar. This is how it looks on the inside. So excited.